Pleo tutorial. Managing company expenses has always been one of the most time-consuming and stressful parts of running a business. Traditional methods often involve employees paying out of pocket, keeping paper receipts, and submitting reimbursement reports that take weeks to process. Meanwhile, finance teams are left chasing missing receipts, reconciling spreadsheets, and trying to control spending without slowing the company down. That's where Pleo comes in. Pleo is a modern expense management platform designed to simplify how businesses handle payments, receipts, and reporting. It provides smart company cards for employees, tracks every transactions in real time, and eliminates the pain of manual expense reports. So instead of dealing with piles of receipts and back and forth emails, everything is automated, transparent, and easy to manage. What makes Pleo stand out is how it balances flexibility for employees with control for finance teams. Employees get access to company funds when they need them, while managers and accountants get full visibility into where money is going. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of Pleo, explain the benefits of each, and show you why it's one of the best expense management tools for businesses in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the Smart Company Cards for employees. Pleo provides prepaid company cards, both physical and virtual, that employees can use for work-related expenses. Each card can have individual spending limits set by managers, ensuring employees have the freedom to make purchases without overspending. This eliminates the need for reimbursements and personal spending on company purchases. Employees feel trusted and empowered, while managers still maintain financial control and oversight. Another key feature is the real-time expense tracking. Every purchase made with a Pleo card is logged instantly in the platform. The app sends a notification right after a transaction, prompting employees to snap a photo of the receipt or categorize the expense on the spot. Finance teams get up-to-the-minute visibility into company spending. There are no delays, no surprises, and no lost receipts, which makes financial reporting much faster and more accurate. Another key feature is the automated receipt capture and categorization. Pleo's mobile app uses AI to automatically match receipts through transactions. Employees just take a quick photo of their receipt and Pleo does the rest, attaching it to the expense, categorizing it, and preparing it for accounting. This drastically reduces the time spent on manual bookkeeping. It also ensures compliance since every expense is documented and ready for audits or tax filings. Another key feature is the spending controls and policy enforcement. Managers can set custom spending limits, approve transactions, and block specific categories or purchases. You can also define company-wide policies such as travel or meal budgets, and Pleo enforces them automatically. Businesses gain financial control without micromanaging. Employees stay within policy, while managers reduce unnecessary or fraudulent spending, all while maintaining a smooth workflow. Another key feature is the integrations with accounting and ERP systems. Pleo integrates seamlessly with popular accounting tools like Xero, QuickBooks, Sage, and NetSuite. Expenses, receipts, and categories flow directly into the accounting system, making month-end reconciliation quick and painless. Finance teams save hours of manual data entry and reduce the risk of human error. By automating the flow of financial data, businesses ensure accurate records and a faster closing process. So, why is Pleo a great choice? Pleo is an excellent choice for businesses in 2025 because it solves one of the biggest headaches in company finances: managing expenses. Instead of forcing employees and managers to deal with outdated processes, Pleo provides a modern solution that's fast, flexible, and secure. For employees, it removes the frustration of paying out of the pocket and waiting weeks to be reimbursed. For finance teams, it provides instant visibility, airtight compliance, and integration with accounting software. And for managers, it delivers full control over budgets and spending without slowing down operations. So, by combining automation, smart controls, and employee empowerment, Pleo strikes the perfect balance between flexibility and accountability. It's not just about simplifying expense reports. It's about transforming the entire way businesses manage money on a daily basis. So, in conclusion, Pleo is more than just a company card. It's a complete expense management platform designed to make financial operations smoother and more transparent. With smart cards, real time tracking, automated receipt capture, customizable controls, and accounting integrations, it helps businesses save time, reduce costs, and stay compliant. So if you're tired of chasing receipts, processing endless reimbursements, or dealing with messy expense spreadsheets, Pleo is the smarter way to manage company spending. In 2025, it continues to be one of the top tools for startups, small businesses, and enterprises looking to bring clarity and control to their finances. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.